Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to start using Envato element. This video will be a full tutorial with full basic stuff that you must know about this platform. So guys, without any further talking, make sure to watch this video from now till the end so you don't miss anything and you don't make any mistakes or problems. And of course, if you had some problems and you faced some errors, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section so I can answer those questions or I can make another video about that. So guys, without any further talking, let's get into it. So the first thing guys that we must do is go to our browser and search for Envato elements. So let's go over here and let's search for it. So here we go. Now guys, let's go to this website and let's click into it. So here we go. And let's wait a little bit until we fully loads. Let's click on this one, sorry guys. And here all we need to do is change the language. So here we go, English, and we are all good. So here guys, all you need to do to start using it, it's pretty easy. So click here to sign in, and you can like create an Envato account from here by putting here your first name, last name, email, password, or you just can click here to continue with Google, Apple account, or even a Facebook account. So let's start with sign in with a Google account. Here it is my email, so here it is, click on it, and here we go. So now guys, this is my account. So here I can find the free files that I can download. So here, this website what it gives you is like a free element to use for your work. For example, here there is some paintbrush sliders opener for your Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere. Here there is a logo for you to use. There is like an audio to use. Like these are all things that might find here are completely free. So here you have like of course you will have like an amount of downloads, but if you wanted to get a limited amount of downloads, you can just get like the premium version, which is the only creator subscription you need. Here you will have to pay around $17 per month, and you will get millions of creative assets, unlimited downloads, simple commercial licensing, and cancel anytime. So you can cancel that anytime. And of course, here is some other option for students. So if you're a student, you will get 30% off. Here it is the payment method. So there is with credit card and PayPal. And here, if you went a little bit down, you will find other subscription for teams and enterprise. So here is some like for enterprise, you can here choose like how many members you have, and they will give you like the best things they could give you with the best price. Now let's start with going through the like the like the website itself. So let's go first to license. Here, making it easy to license your assets. So here you can add like your assets, share with the people. So here as you can see a video is explaining that, and here is some explanation about the license that you will get from the asset that you will get from here. So let's say for example, let's go through all of this. So let's start with stock video. Here guys, you will get like free video stock that you can download and use it on your own video. So if you had like an edit or something like that or a video, you can use this videos that you can find here as a background. So there is the watermark, but of course if you had the premium version, you will download it without the watermark that you can see over here. Now let's go through here. There's like a bunch of options. You can search for like the keywords if you'd like to. Here you like if you wanted like the FPS of the image, here you can find it. So 60 FPS, more than 60 FPS, you can find it also over here. So you'd like whatever you'd like, you will find it here as well. And these are like completely free if you'd like to download them. And of course you have limited download, so don't forget about that. Here there is video templates. So here you can download some templates for your videos. So here for example you can download this video and change the text, etc., to make it fit your projects. Here is the music. Here's some free no copyrighted music that you can download and use it on your project. Here's some sound effect. There is game sound effect, domestic sound, human sound, urban sound, and much more. So you can go through all of this by your own. Graphic templates. Here there is Adobe Photoshop templates. So for example here you can make some free designs for your own projects without any knowledge in Photoshop. You just have to download the template from here, open Photoshop, and start using it. Here there is the graphics, and here there is photos, fonts over here, so you can download like multiple kind of fonts. Here web templates, and here some CMS templates. And now let's go, for example, here. So let's start, for example, with this one. So let's go here and let's try with Adobe Photoshop. So this one, and let's try, for example, something. So let's click on this one, and here, for you to be able to download, as you can see, you will have to actually get the premium version. Now these are the features that you will get from this template, for example. So here you will get application supported Photoshop and Illustrator. You'll get file types, EPS, which is Illustrator, here PSD, which is Photoshop, and GPT, which is a normal image. Additions, they are completely layered, vector, and documentation included, and the color space is RGB. Here's some um, like detail about the project. So what's included in the download, so Facebook ads, which are lead generation card. So we'll get all of these kind of things in the download. So there is like about I think 21 banner templates. So yeah, you will get 21 image that you can edit it, use it, change the color of it, and do whatever you want with it, and it's gonna be yours. So it's not copyrighted. If you use it on something, no one will actually come to you and tell you you must delete this image or something like that. And the same goes for these videos. So we all know that YouTube actually give you strikes, copyright, and etc. But guys, trust me, if you use this website, it will help you a lot to grow your quality on YouTube, make your videos go more viral, and of course, make your videos protected from getting striked and copyrighted. So here you must find whatever video you like with the length that you want. So here you can find, for example, 40 seconds. Here you might find, for example, to 5 minutes. Let's check if there is. There is 5 minutes. So here's like everything about it. And if you'd like to watch the video, you can just come here and watch it so you can know what you are buying exactly. So completely like this is an example of the video. So it is just like this changing in the sky moving, and yeah, this is completely it. So if you'd like to see the price, you come here, license, you come here, and if you'd like to buy something, you come here. And of course, if you'd like some specific thing with the keywords, for example here, birds, and here you will find a lot of images with birds, videos, stock video with birds, sound effects with birds, graphics with birds, and much more. So everything that has a relationship with birds, you will find it over here. So this is completely easy to use. Any keyword you need, you just have to type it over here and you will receive it. And all you need to do is buy it for 17 bucks a month, and everything will be good to use. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is pretty much it for this video. If you had any questions or problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching.